Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to search order by order status using plugin in WooCommerce order section in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce order section. Now you see different order. So we are going to search order by status. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write additional order filter for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. Click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see additional order filter. So click on it. Now setting open and scroll down you see active filter and then you see multiple filters. Now you see order status, so enable this option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to order page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see additional filter, so click on it and then you see order status. Now select and then you see drop down. Now select according to your requirement like on hold and then click on apply filter. If you want you can select multiple order status. Now scroll down, you see order status on hold. Again click on order status and then you see pickup. So click on it and then click on apply filter. Now scroll down, you see order status with on hold and then you see order status with pickup. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.